Welcome to this user guide for the Wood Solutions online learning topic, Introduction to Building Regulations and Standards. This user guide outlines what you can learn in this topic and how the learning resources in it are organised for you to complete in your own way and at your own pace. Broadly, this topic covers two important and related areas: building regulations and timber product standards. Completing the material in these areas will help you understand how regulations and standards affect how timber is produced and supplied, and it will improve the way you choose or specify the most appropriate timber for an application or for a customer. If you successfully complete some of the assessments in the topic, you can also earn a Wood Solutions Knowledge Certificate. There are 4 types of learning resources available for this topic: videos, user guides, other resources and assessments. There are 6 video presentations available for this topic in addition to this Getting Started guide. The videos are available for you wherever you have an internet connection, and you can watch them in any order and as many times as you like. They are all relatively short, from 3 to 8 minutes long, as each video presents information on only one aspect of timber product standards or building regulations. Their titles and a short description are on the online contents page for this topic. There are 3 user guides available for this topic that you can download as a PDF, print and read. They are the printed copy of this Getting Started guide, and then separate technical guides on Australian timber product standards and compliance and Australian building regulation. These guides outline the content covered in the video presentations and describe how they relate to your work. Next, there are other resources. These are links to additional online information about the topic, such as a design guide on the Wood Solutions site. Lastly, there are 3 assessments for this topic, available both online and as PDFs. You show what you have learned in this topic by completing the online assessments. The assessments are a starter assessment, an intermediate assessment, and an advanced assessment. You will generally find all the answers you need for the starter assessments in the video presentations, while you find the answers to the intermediate assessment in the video presentations and in the technical guides. Lastly, to find the answers to the advanced assessment, you will need to use the video presentations, the technical guide, and links in the Other Resources section to do some independent research about the answers to those questions. There are some important points to note about the assessments. First, you can decide which level of assessment you want to complete and do them in any order. Then you can attempt an assessment as many times as you need to complete all the questions correctly. Lastly, you can print out the assessment to prepare your answers as you go through the educational resources, but you must complete the assessment online. To receive a Wood Solutions Knowledge Certificate for this topic, you have to score 100% in the relevant assessments. So, to qualify for the Starter Knowledge Certificate, you need to complete the Starter Assessment. To receive the Intermediate Knowledge Certificate, you need to complete the Starter and the Intermediate assessments. Lastly, to be awarded the Advanced Knowledge Certificate, you need to complete the Starter, the Intermediate and the Advanced assessment. Your Wood Solutions Knowledge Certificate will be emailed to you when you have completed the unit. So, in summary, welcome to this Wood Solutions topic, Introducing Building Regulations and Standards. There is a range of educational resources about this topic available. You can use them or view them in any order and as many times as you like. To earn a knowledge certificate, you have to complete the relevant assessments and score 100% in them. This may sound demanding, but you can decide which level of assessment you want to complete. You can attempt an assessment as many times as you need to complete all the questions correctly, and you can print out the assessment beforehand to prepare your answers. However, you must complete the assessment online and it is marked automatically. So, I hope you enjoy this Wood Solutions topic.